If you want to use your Samsung Galaxy S26 as a webcam, then in that case you can connect your Samsung Galaxy S26 to your laptop or computer or whatever you want to use, and just simply plug it in. And then once you connect your phone to your other device, then you should be able to go to notifications, and you can find this notification over here, USB for charging phone. You want to tap on this notification in order to open USB settings. Now in here we can switch to the webcam, and then we can find the webcam notification. If you tap on it, you can set it up, you can configure it a little bit, you can switch the camera, you can adjust the zoom, for example, if you want to. And of course, remember to choose the video source once you want to use it in a certain app, like for example on Zoom or anything else. You should be able to find the USB, video USB, or something similar to that, like Android video, something like that, in the video sources list. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.